Today, through this video, let us learn chapter 9, exercise 9.1. Before we go on to 9.1, let me give you an introduction of this chapter. This chapter is power and roots. Now, power, suppose if I say, let's take a number 2. Now this 2, if I multiply it 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2. So this is called product form, and this product form can be written in power form, that is 2 to the power 3. So here 2 is called the base. Why it is called the base? Because this is the number which is we are multiplying. So this is the base, and 3 is called the exponent or also the power. So this is what about the exponential form, how we write. So children, this 2 is repeatedly multiplied. This is the base. Another number, let us take 8 into 8 into 8. So here when we write in exponential form, it will be 8 to the power 3. So children, here what we see, 8 into 8 into 8, that is 8 is multiplied 3 times. Therefore, this 8 is the base and 3 is the power or the exponent. Now, let me start with question number 1. Now, coming to question number 1, exercise 9.1. I am not writing down the question, children. You please take your textbook, keep in front of you, and then I will write only the answers, and you can refer it from the textbook, and then you can copy down from the board here. Now, first one is write the exponential form of the following product. That is, first one is 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. So here we see, children, 8 is being multiplied for how many times? 8 is multiplied for 6 times. Again, one more. So how will you write in exponential form? Exponential form, children, it will be, you will write 8, then how many 8s are here? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 to the power 6. So this is how we write in the exponential form. Now let me tell you question number B. When the number is coming inside the bracket, like minus 11 bracket into minus 11 bracket into minus 11 bracket into minus 11 bracket. Now here you can see minus 11 is being multiplied 4 times. So the exponential form will be minus 11 put inside the bracket to the power 4. So this is how you can do question number 1. Other questions all you can follow like this. I will do question number D. I am not doing C because C is same as A and B. Now C, you can see the question 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. After that we have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here what you will do, see 2 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. So you will write 2 to the power 4 into, then children 3 is multiplied 3 times. So 3 to the power 3. So this will be the exponential form. I hope you understood. And question number 1. The other questions which I have not done, you can do it by yourself. Try and see, follow the same method. Going into question number 2, calculate the indicated powers. Now here, the first question we have is 7 to the power 3. Now 7 to the power 3, we are asked to calculate the powers. So what you need to do, first you change this into product form. That is 7 into 7 into 7, because 7 is 3 times. So 7 into 7 into 7. So after that you multiply this. 7 into 7, 49. and if you find difficult 49 you write, again you multiply by 7, then it comes 63, 6, 28 and comes 34. So it is 343. So like that you can do to calculate the indicated powers. I will show you one more from this question, that is question number F. Children, I am not doing everything because you will have to try by yourself. 4 by 9 bracket to the power 3. So here in the same way what you will do, this is a fractional number 4 by 9. So it is to the power 3. So power 3 also can be called as cube. Power to the power 2 is square. To the power 3 is cube. So you write this 4 by 9 3 times. 4 into 9. 4 by 9 into 4 by 9 into 4 by 9. After that, simple. Multiply this 4 into 4. 16. 16 into 4 will be 64. By 9 into 9, 81. If you do not know, then 81 into 9 you multiply. 9 1 is 9 and 9 8 is 72. So 729. So I hope children, question number 1 and 2, some questions I have not done, but through this video try and follow the same method. And for today we will do only question number 1 and 2. Hope you understood, and keep watching the next video for the next questions to continue. Thank you.